Now, the third edition of India's Central Asia Dialogue is underway in New Delhi. Now, in the three-day event, leaders from 5 Central Asian nations will discuss ways to further strengthen ties, with special focus on trade and connectivity cooperation. The Afghanistan crisis will no doubt be an important topic of discussion. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar is hosting the dialogue in New Delhi, with foreign ministers of Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan in attendance. The ministers are also expected to pay a joint courtesy call on Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi after the crucial meeting on Sunday. The dialogue is taking place in the backdrop of India reaching out to the 5 countries for participation of their top leaders as chief guests at the upcoming Republic Day celebrations. Now, earlier, Jaishankar held diplomatic talks with Tajikistan's foreign minister. This on the sidelines of the main event. Now, during the talks, the two leaders discussed issues of bilateral relations and stressed on the need to implement the agreements reached between the two countries on strengthening mutually beneficial cooperation. According to the Indian Foreign Ministry statement, Jaishankar and Muhyiddin discussed the developments in Afghanistan. The Indian Foreign Minister also appreciated Tajikistan's participation in the Regional Security Dialogue, which was held in November earlier this year. The two sides have also signed agreements on diplomatic training and program of cooperation. Early in the day, the Tajik Foreign Minister also paid his tributes to India's father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, at Rajghat. Over the last few years, India has ramped up its engagement with Central Asian nations. India considers Central Asia as part of its extended neighborhood. The dialogue is the second meeting organized by India after the 2020 virtual talks. For more updates on this story, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal has sent us this report from New Delhi. Take a look.
The Indian and the Tajik foreign ministers met earlier today in Delhi, and key focus areas were on Afghanistan, on connectivity, on cooperation against the COVID crisis, also on capacity building. We know that the Tajik foreign minister is here in Delhi not only to participate in the Central Asia-India foreign ministers meeting, but also on a bilateral visit. We know when it comes to Afghanistan, Tajikistan has been very worried since Taliban takeover, not only because Tajikistan shares a land border and there is worry over a spillover impact in Tajikistan, but also there is a huge Tajik minority in Afghanistan that haven't been given representation by the Taliban government in Kabul. But nonetheless, the Indian External Affairs Minister used this opportunity to thank Tajikistan to provide the support during the evacuation process that started in the month of August after Taliban takeover. We know that Indian Air Force planes had made a stopover in Tajikistan, and from Tajikistan using Iranian airspace arrived in India. So essentially, important meeting that took place. We know that Tajikistan has joined India's initiative, the CDRI, and also 2 pacts were signed. One, of course, was on training of diplomats by India. So we know that when it comes to this engagement between India and Tajikistan, it has been going. In fact, the Indian External Affairs Minister was in Tajikistan earlier this year as well. Siddhant Sibal for WION in New Delhi.